Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Uh, Today we are going to Gandhidham. We have a new project in a railway station that we are doing one raft 22 meter by 24 meter. That is a one new project for the railway. One of our client, his R&D team done one technical station for the rail coaches, so it saved the 11 hours to the maintenance of the train. So we are doing that civil work, and right now I'm nearby Sanand and we are going to Gandhidham, and I will show you the station and what work we will do there. We'll meet you there. Guys, I will tell you one thing, that this project is we are doing that this is first Indian Railway automated site shifting maintenance track, and if this project will be success, then I'm very proud to I'm doing this project right now, and if this will success, then we are doing and modernizing our Indian Railway. So that is I have to do the core of this project, that is foundation, that is done by me in what the circumstances is on that side. Let's see what happens there. It is a monumental step forward for national infrastructure and the huge personal achievement for me as well. We reached here, and now discussing with the yard master all the things, some practical problems we have faced here, so we are discussing about that and watching all locations and how it's rail yard work. Now we are discussing about if we will do a raft or any base work on there, we have to close these 2 tracks or 3 tracks closed. That is not possible. I think there are so many permission we have to take from authority, different authorities, and that's we are discussing right now. राफ्ट का, हाँ
उसके अंदर हर 15 मीटर की
इतनी हाइट का आएगा। एक ऐसा आएगा जैसे नीचे है, और एक ऐसा आएगा जैसे ऊपर है। ये हाँ
अभी होना चाहिए, अभी लगेगा स्टॉक में है उसके अंदर।
ये तो 10 मीटर के अंदर पूरा
क्लीन। हाँ बस उसमें मिसकन्फ्यूजन हो गया। तो मेरे को अभी जो पावर इंजन बोले तब मेरे को लाइट कि ये दो पावर है ये। हम लोग पावर एक्चुअली मशीन को पावर देने के लिए बात हो रही थी, हम लोग ये समझ रहे थे।
छक्का पावर में आता है।
अरे वो फिर अपना अलग,
फिर वो अपनी अलग ही, वो तो अलग ही टर्मिनोलॉजी है। चौका पावर, छक्का पावर।
We just discussed all the problems and solutions and all the things for here, and now we will discuss office and some of genuine problems that we heard, and we have to think on that. And for our civil work, there is 4 department permission we have to take to finish our civil work, so it will time taking project. So we are going to meet with Gandhigram DEM, that is a IPS level post, and we have to discuss all our problems and solution with them. We are in right now DME office for this project. It's evening time and we are waiting for DME. We just finished a meeting with the DME of Gandhigram, and we discussed all the points, and he have some of concern that we are working on it. This is area office of Gandhigram. Hope pink shirt guy, he is the DEM of Gandhigram, and just we met them and discussed our points. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will show you this kind of trunky and PMC project videos. Thank you for watching.